Hey guys, welcome back to the Cristina Moda channel. So I've got another beautiful, exciting vintage Coach bag to share with you today. So this is the Vintage Coach Compartment Bag, style number 9850, and this specific bag was made in the US, and I would estimate it was likely made in the late 80s to early 90s. So I'll go ahead and show you more of the bag itself now. So it does come with a crossbody strap that's adjustable. So here's where you would adjust the strap. It's got this buckle right here. And it also comes with a matching one-sided hang tag. And here's the front of the bag. As you can see, it's got a turn lock closure here. So this is how we would open the bag. And then here's what the sides look like. It does have a gusseted pocket here in the front, which I'll show you a little bit more of when I show you the inside of the bag. And then here's the back, and it's also got a back slip pocket. And now I'll show you the inside. So here's a little bit more of that gusseted pocket that I mentioned. So it sticks out a little bit more. And then here's the inside of the bag. It's got a back zip pocket along the back interior of the bag. And then it's also got the Coach Creed back there. Here's also a close-up photo of the Creed so you can see that the bag's authentic. So that's the Vintage Coach Compartment Bag. I would say that this is a nice kind of small to medium sized bag if you're looking for an option that will carry the essentials and probably a little bit more, but it won't be too heavy to carry. I think that the compartment bag would be a nice option. And this specific bag is available in our Etsy shop, so I will of course link it below if you wanted to check it out. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.